Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto your course on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to figure out how to add a video into the classroom section of your Skool community. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the classroom. Next, we're going to click on this class right here. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead and upload a video. One way to upload a video is to simply just click on the edit button right over here, and then you simply just attach a file. So for example, if we add a new page and we click on this edit option, let's say that we want to go ahead and add an actual file. You can click on this video icon here, and you can either enter a YouTube video link or drag and drop the video file here. So for example, if I drag and drop this video here, it's going to drop it into the actual Skool platform itself. Or you can actually copy and paste the YouTube, Loom, Vimeo, or Wistia link here as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and upload a video onto a course on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.